everyone, my name is Alex Bell and welcome back to the channel. Today is July 9th, 2026, and in this video, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to increase your Twitch viewers using paid viewer packages. I've been creating Twitch tutorials for years, and one question I get all the time is, how can I make my stream look more active, especially when I'm just starting out? Today, I'll walk you through a platform that many streamers use and show you exactly how the ordering process works, step by step. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Followers Panda on Google. Open the official website. Once you're on the homepage, click Buy Twitch Viewers. You'll notice there are multiple packages available depending on how many viewers you need. Before placing an order, let's look at some of the features. Followers Panda offers instant viewer delivery, pause and resume controls, viewer interval control, raid follow-up support, poll participation options, Twitch chatters 24/7 customer support. Controls make it easy to customize how your viewer package behaves during your stream. For this tutorial, I'm going to purchase 50 Twitch viewers, 2-hour duration, 15 Twitch chatters. You can also choose larger packages if that's what you need. Enter your Twitch username, type your email address. Click Proceed to checkout. If you're a new customer, create your account by verifying the OTP sent to your email and setting a password. Then continue to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see multiple payment methods, including Stripe, PayPal, wallet, cryptocurrency. For this demonstration, I'm adding $10 to my wallet. After the payment is complete, refresh the page, and you'll see the wallet balance updated. Now simply select Pay with Wallet and confirm your order. Within a few seconds, your order is successfully placed. Go to My Orders. Here you can see everything you've purchased. For this order I received 50 Twitch viewers, 15 Twitch chatters, 2-hour duration. The dashboard also lets you control several settings. You can pause or resume viewers, change delivery intervals, control chatter timing, customize messages, enable random chat behavior, manage poll participation. Everything can be adjusted directly from the control panel. We see the viewer count increasing. The stream now shows over 60 live viewers, confirming that the package has started delivering successfully. If you're looking to increase your Twitch viewers with paid packages, this is one option that offers multiple customization features and an easy ordering process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Twitch tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.